Tricia, when you're planting seeds that small, you better have some pretty good vision.
Yeah, or very dexterous fingers too.
Yeah, without a doubt.
Well, I call this microplanting, Danny. And you can see I have a flat head toothpick.
Right.
Now this is opposed to a rounded head because that doesn't do what I need it to do.
Okay.
Look what I'm going to do here. I just dipped it in a little bit of water, and these are some snapdragon seeds. And as you can see, it's on the very tip.
Boy, that's small.
Isn't it? But what I'm doing is I'm planting for spring. And I can use the same one or a different one, but I can take these one at a time and put them in this pot. Now I'm going to go for about 6 in this particular pot.
Now, what's the problem in just taking a little pinch of these and kind of sprinkling them in the pot itself?
Well, I could do that, but if I do that, what happens is they will all be clumped together. And when it comes time to divide them, I'm going to run the risk of maybe pulling their roots apart and possibly losing one, if not more of them. Because this is just part of this step. Because this, when they're babies, they're here, and then they'll get planted to another pot before they get out to the big yard.
I see. Okay, and the tray here, you're able to, what, plant individual ones?
Yes, this is a great idea. Here I would water all of this to plump it up, and then I would put in one seed in each one, and this would start a nice little greenhouse.
Takes a lot of patience.